I looked at her and know at that moment, she was the one.
On my way home from Cottonwood Heights from a UFC fight in Vegas, my Porsche decided to break down in the middle of nowhere. To top it off, cell phone reception was absent.
Freaking kidding me?
I had to hike miles in search of civilization, only to be picked up by someone who looked like a gold prospector from the 1800s.
Somebody looks like he could use a warm meal and a roof over his head.
Yeah, or a mechanic of any kind.
Saddle up, partner.
I hesitantly got into his truck, weighed my odds of survival. Was this car ride gonna be my last?
Settle in here and wash up for supper, son.
He brought me to a small farmhouse, and I noticed fishing stuff everywhere.
Don't get many visitors around these parts.
That evening, he fed me dinner, which consisted of warm soda.
Is this just soda you left out in the sun?
Some makes for good cooking.
I instantly noticed his daughter's charm. The conversation was awkward, to say the least.
Eat your dinner soda.
Finally, I was able to get cell service.
I don't know, I just need a tow truck or a mechanic or literally anybody who knows anything that doesn't involve milking cows.
I think the guy was spying.
Okay, thank you.
The next morning, the old prospector woke me up at 4 in the morning.
Time to earn your keep, son. Cows aren't gonna milk themselves.
Eventually, someone came over to help me with my car.
Boy, you ain't going nowhere.
Working in the field sucked. I could sense the disapproval of the locals as I sweated away in the fields. I got to know some of the wildlife, including a snake that seemed to like me a lot. I don't remember much after that. Frustrated, I was searching for an answer in the gazebo one afternoon, and the prospector's daughter approached me with a smile on her face. I'd offered her the candy she seemed to relish. It paid off, big time. I was just hoping she was of age, curious to learn about what could be my new family. I decided to snoop around a little bit. What I saw in the barn, I could never unsee. At dinner,
Some good dinner soda.
if you could call eating warm soda dinner, I couldn't get that image of the aliens out of my mind. Dinner soda was actually growing on me. The prospector's daughter, however, never lost her luster. It was time to take action. I decided to break into the alien manufacturing barn and blow the place to smithereens. I hesitated slightly, knowing this man's life's work was about to go up in smoke, but I had to for my posterity with the prospector's daughter. For some reason, when the whole barn went up in smoke and flames, I felt good, but sad for the beautiful garage door that I had just destroyed. If you're ever in need of a new garage door, I strongly encourage you to call A+ Garage Doors.